In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Samsung SolarCell remote. And I will also show a picture of my dog at the end. Haha. Step 1. Hold return and enter buttons. Press and hold the return, back, and enter middle wheel buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Step 2. Wait for the red LED flash. After about 3 to 4 seconds, the red LED will start flashing. Continue holding the buttons until the LED turns off, then release. Step 3. Reset complete. The remote is now reset. You may need to pair it again with your TV. Step 4. Pair remote. To pair, press and hold the return and play/pause buttons together for 3 seconds near the TV until pairing completes. So that is how you reset and repair your Samsung SolarCell remote. Now here's a nice picture of my dog. He is very cute. Do you find him cute? Thanks for watching. Bye. And subscribe.